Hi, it's Ellen Holste, Community Program Manager from Pierce Cedar Creek Institute. One of the really distinctive features of wild geranium is its palmately lobed leaves. It's got leaves that have 5 different lobes, and it's kind of like a palm, so think of a palm with 5 fingers on its hand. Its flowers are more saucer-shaped, and it's got 5 petals, and its flowers tend to be more of a pinkish to purplish or lilac color. Another cool thing about this plant is that it's actually related to the geraniums that you could pick up in any floral store or any nursery. But this plant, its genus name is actually Geranium, whereas the ones that you can pick up anywhere, that genus name actually is not Geranium. It's a whole different one. Another cool thing about wild geranium is that it's sometimes called Cranesbill. And it's called Cranesbill because the flower, in about 3 to 5 weeks when it disappears, will become a fruit. And that fruit kind of looks like a central column of a crane with 5 seed pods coming down. And the cool thing about this fruit is that it'll eject its seed pods in almost an explosion. You may confuse wild blue phlox with the phlox you have in the garden, but wild blue phlox is definitely one of our spring wildflowers. It's very distinctive in the sense that it has 5 petals on its flowers and tends to be more of a flat flower, and they also tend to be more grouped at the top of a long stem. Sometimes wild blue phlox gets confused with Dame's rocket, which is an invasive here in Michigan. Some of the differences though between Dame's rocket and wild blue phlox is that Dame's rocket is in the mustard family, so it only has 4 petals, whereas wild blue phlox has 5 petals on its flower. Another characteristic of Dame's rocket, if there aren't any petals, that distinguishes it is that on its stem, Dame's rocket tends to have alternate leaves, whereas wild blue phlox tends to have opposite leaves. Wild blue phlox also has a few different color variations. So not only does it come in this lavender color, but it also can be purple or a darker purple as well as a white color.